session 2021. Today we will start our session again with a prayer. Join your hands, close your eyes. हमने कौन सा श्लोक सीखा था? कराग्रे वाला. Let us start with that. कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी, करमध्ये सरस्वती, करमूले तु गोविन्दं, प्रभाते करदर्शनम्, प्रभाते करदर्शनम्. कराग्रे वसते लक्ष्मी, करमूले सरस्वती, करमध्ये तु गोविन्दं, प्रभाते करदर्शनम्, प्रभाते करदर्शनम्. Hello children, how are you all? We hope you all are fine and doing well at home. Now हमने जैसे पहले के वीडियोस में आपको बताया था, आई होप कि आप लोग अपना क्लास वर्क मेरे साथ कंप्लीट कर रहे हो और होमवर्क घर पे ममा के साथ. तो आप सबको अपना क्लास वर्क कंप्लीट करना है. जब आप वापस आएंगे तो हम आपका क्लास वर्क चेक करेंगे. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट विथ रिवाइजिंग अवर अल्फाबेट्स. हमने अब तक कौन कौन से अल्फाबेट्स कर लिए हैं? वी हैव डन A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. Now let us start with recalling them using our flashcards. We started with letter A. A says aeroplane, arrow, apple. Next alphabet is B. B says b. B says b. Ball, boy, bird, bear, boot, bus, and bug. Next alphabet will be letter C. Letter C. This is the letter C, capital and small, and C says k. C says k. Cat, cookie, crayon, cloud, which you see in the sky during this season, right? And car. Now let us move on to our next alphabet, which is letter D. D says d. D says duck, door, day, dinosaur, dog. Moving on to our next alphabet, children, is E. Now what is the sound of E? E says e. E says e. पर आपको याद है, मैंने आपको ये भी बोला था कि इसमें दो साउंड होते हैं. किसी में आपको ई का साउंड आएगा तो किसी में ए का साउंड आएगा. एलिफेंट, एग, एलिफेंट, एग. ई फॉर आईज, ई फॉर ईयर्स. जब मैं आईज बोलती हूँ तो मुझे ई का साउंड आता है, ए का साउंड नहीं आता है जब मैं ईयर्स बोलती हूँ. यस, सो दिस वाज आवर लेटर ई. व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर ई is letter F. What is the sound of F? F says, this is the letter F. F says, we do not say f, we say, now let us see the vocabs. Fire, five, fish, frog, feet, flower. Next alphabet will be G. Next alphabet will be G. Let us see the G vocabs. G says g. G says g. Girl. Grass, which is green in color. That is also green. Grass. Go. I told you, children. Do you remember? These are the three traffic lights. Here will be G. Sorry, here will be go. This is go. Green means go. And glue. Where do we use the glue? हम glue कहाँ use करते हैं? Paper sticking के लिए glue use करते हैं. Our next alphabet will be H. H says house, horse, हिल जो होता है मैंने आपको बताया था माउंटेन्स बहुत ही बड़े होते हैं, हिल उससे छोटे होते हैं. hammer. Hammer. Next alphabet will be I. What will be the sound of I, children? I says I. Again, I has two sounds. It is I somewhere you hear and it is I somewhere you hear. Ink. Ink. I for ice. Ice में आपको I का साउंड आएगा. इधर आपको I का साउंड आया. And igloo. Igloo. What will be our next alphabet, children? What comes after I? It is letter J. This is the letter J, capital and small. J says J. J says J. Jack. Jack. Jump. Do you all like to jump? Yes, हम jumping करने भी जाते हैं ना सैटरडे संडे मम्मा पापा के साथ या दादा दादी के साथ. So this man is also jumping. He is jumping over the log. Log के ऊपर से वो jump कर रहा है. Jacket. Jacket. And jet. Next is letter K. This is the capital and small letter K which sounds k. Which sounds k. Kite and k. Kettle. Our next alphabet will be L. What is the sound of L? It sounds L. It sounds L. And what are the vocabs? Let us see. Leaf. Leaf. What color is the leaf? It is green. It is green. And see what is this boy doing? He is looking. Look. What is he looking at? He's looking at the butterfly. And what is the sound you hear when I say butterfly? Butterfly starts with letter B. Butterfly. And this is a light. हम सबके घर में light होती है? Yes. Light. Next our alphabet will be M. M says M says mouse. Mouse and monster. Mouse. Monster. Our next letter will be letter N. And what is the sound of letter N, everyone? Night. Nose. This is the capital letter N and this is the small letter N. When I say N, it is night. Night matlab raat ka time. Night matlab raat ka time. And what do you see in the sky when it is night time, children? Yes, we see the moon. We sometimes see clouds and we see many stars. And this is our nose. Nose. And what do we do with our nose? We smell with our nose. That is our sense organ. So, what are we going to do today? For the first video, for the first half, we are going to do letter M and letter N. M, monster. M, mouse. And letter N. N says N says night and nose. Okay. Now, let us move on to our worksheet part, children. Today, for the first half, we are going to do page number 9. Page number 9 of your English LKG Term 1 worksheet. Page number 9. Now, on page number 9, the first thing we will do, as we have done in all the alphabets, is that we will see the vocabs and we will match them with their respective beginning letters. For the next part, children, we will write the first line of letter M and the first line of letter N. और जैसे मैंने हमेशा आपको बोला है, क्लास वर्क आपको मेरे साथ करना है. So we will start with page number 9, children. To begin with, what are we going to write? We will be writing today's date. जिस date को आपको क्लास वर्क होमवर्क करना है. You will also write CW and HW. Do not forget. ये हमें लिखना ही है. And this is our page number 9. चलो get ready with your pencil, eraser and open page number. Now let us read the heading, everyone. Let's identify the sound of the given pictures and match each of them with their first letter. हमने अभी तक क्या किया है? We are going to see each of the flashcards or each of the vocabs. We are going to see the sound and the first letter and then we are going to match with the respective letters. Now to begin with the first picture of a mouse. What do you hear when I say mouse? I hear the sound of mouse. Mouse. So what will I do? I will match this picture to letter M. This is letter M. The next picture is of a nest. Nest कौन बनाता है बच्चों? Who makes the nest? Who builds the nest? It is the birds who build the nest. The same way we have a house to live in. हमारे घर में, हम अपने घर में जैसे रहते हैं, वैसे birds कहाँ पे रहते हैं? They live in the nest. So what do you hear, children, when I say nest? Nest. I hear the sound of n. And what is the n? Which alphabet? It is letter N. Nest. Now the next picture is of an insect. हमने insect किया था जब हम I sound में आए थे तब. Yes, mosquito is an insect. And is it a good insect? No, it sucks your blood. वो अगर आपके हाथ में या आपके बॉडी पे कहीं पे भी कट कर देते हैं तो वो आपका ब्लड सक करते हैं, which is not good. Therefore, what do we have to do? We have to keep our surrounding clean. अगर हमारा surrounding clean होगा तो mosquitoes है, fly है, वो कभी भी हमारे घर में enter नहीं होंगे. That is the reason मम्मा हर रोज आपका घर और आपका रूम क्लीन करते हैं. So what do you hear, children, when I say mosquito? Mosquito. I hear the sound of M. So what will I do, children? I will match the picture of mosquito to letter M. Now moving on to the next alphabet is nuts. I am sure you all must be eating nuts daily at home, right? Nuts में क्या क्या आता है? बादाम, पिस्ता, काजू, अखरोट, ये सारे nuts हैं. So which nuts do we see here? This is a peanut. Yes, this is a peanut. So what do you hear, children, when I say nut? Nut. I hear the sound of N. So what will I do, children? I will match nut picture to letter N. Now, which picture is this, children? You have to guess it. It is very easy. It is the picture of milk. We drink milk every day before we go to school and in the evening also. Yes, ये हमारे bones के लिए बहुत, teeth और bones के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा है. ये हमें कैल्शियम देता है. So you should daily drink milk twice. So what do you hear when I say milk? Milk. I hear the sound of M. So I will match this picture to letter M. And what is the color of milk, children? The color of milk is white. The color of milk is white. पर जब आप उसमें कुछ ऐड करते हो, जैसे रोज सिरप ऐड करते हो या फिर बॉर्नवीटा ऐड करते हो, तो उसका कलर चेंज हो जाता है. But originally the color of milk is white. Moving on to the next and the last picture is of nails. हमारे नाखून होते हैं जिसे हम रेगुलरली कट करते हैं. Yes, you should always cut your nails regularly. Why? Because अगर उसमें गंदा आ जाता है कुछ भी तो उससे जर्म्स होते हैं. जर्म्स बिल्डअप होते हैं जब हम खाना खाते हैं तो वो हमारे टमी में जाता है, which will make us ill, which will make us sick. वो हमें बीमार बनाता है. Therefore, children, remember, you should always cut your nails regularly. Yes? So now coming back to the vocab, what do you hear, children, when I say nail? Nail. I hear the sound of letter N. Nail. So what will I do? I will match it to letter N. Now children, moving on to the next part of our class, today's class, we will write the first line of letter M and the second line of letter M, which is on page number 9 of our English Term 1 LKG worksheet. Now please look at the board, children. This is our 4 line, 2 red lines and 2 blue lines. Starting with letter M, how will we write capital letter M, children? We will start from the red line to the blue line, standing line, red line to the blue line, standing line. I have told you, as always, you will do the classwork with me and homework with your mama. So let us start writing. On page number 9, जो नीचे का portion है, where you have to write letter M and N, we are writing the first line, starting with the capital letter M, children. We will from the red line to the blue line make a standing line. Done, everyone? Then a slant line, another slant line, and again a standing line. This is our capital letter M. M says M says How did we write capital letter M, children? Once again, a standing line from the red line to the blue line, slant line, another slant line, and a standing line. This is our capital letter M. Now let us do our small letter M. Small letter M will be between the two blue lines. To start with, we will make a standing line, a curve, and another curve, a standing line, a curve, and another curve. This is our capital letter M. This is our small letter M. Let us move to the next line, children. Are you all with me? मेरे साथ आपको finish करना है आपका class work. We are going to the second line. Starting from the red line to the blue line, make a standing line, a slant line, another slant line going upwards, and then a standing line, slant line going downwards, slant line going upwards, and a standing line. This is our capital letter M, small letter M between the two blue lines, standing line, curve, another curve. This is our small letter M. Next line, children, we will write a standing line from the red line to the blue line. आपको उसी लाइन में लिखना है कैपिटल लेटर M और दो लाइन में स्मॉल लेटर M. Standing line, a slant line going downwards, another slant line going upwards, and then a standing line. Moving on to small letter M between the two blue lines, children. Standing line. मेरे साथ आपको लिखना है a curve and another curve. So what did we write? We wrote first line of letter N. Now moving on to the first line of letter N. Okay, children, moving on to our next line, which is of letter N. To begin with, we will write the capital letter N from the red line to the blue line. We will make a standing line from red line to blue line, standing line. Then a slant line going downwards, a slant line going downwards, and to finish off, we will make a standing line. Let us repeat again, children. You will write along with me. मेरे साथ ही लिखोगे आप. Standing line from the red line to the blue line, a slant line till the end, and then to finish off with a standing line again. This is our capital letter N. N says N says Now we will move to our next, that is our small letter N, which we will write in between the blue lines, just like we wrote M. How did we write M? We took a standing line, a half circle, a curve, and another curve. So similarly, we will do small letter N. Starting in between the blue lines, you will make a standing line. Then, children, and just one curve, a standing line and one curve. देखा, आप देख रहे हो, सिमिलर है. इसमें हमने दो कर्व किए हैं, पर इसमें हम खाली एक ही कर्व करेंगे. This is small letter M. This is small letter N. M says N says Okay. Next line, children. From the red line to the blue line, we will make a standing line. Standing line. Next we will do is, we will make a slant line from here, from the red line to the blue line, from the red line to the blue line, a slant line, standing line, slant line की हमने, and then again a standing line. Again a standing line. This is our capital letter N. Small letter N कितनी लाइन में आएगा बच्चों? From in between the two blue lines. A standing line and just one curve. Just one curve. देखा? It is very easy and we have all learnt all of these alphabets in our nursery class, right children? So here we are again revising all the letters, but here what you have to take care, आपको इतना ध्यान रखना है कि जैसे मैंने जिन लाइन में लिखा है आपको उसी लाइन में अल्फाबेट्स को लिखना है. Let us move to our last line children. We will from the red line to the blue line make a standing line. Make a standing line. From the red line to the blue line make a slant line. Red line to the blue line make a slant line and finish off with the standing line. This is our capital letter N and small n in between the two blue lines, a standing line and just one curve, just one curve. तो बच्चों हमने आज क्या लिखा? First we wrote capital letter M and small letter m. This is our class work. Then we went to this line of small and capital letter N. This is also our class work, which you have finished with me, I guess. आपको मेरे साथ लिखना था. And these two lines you will write with your mama. Now let us recall again, children, what we did. What we learned today was letter M. This is our capital letter M, and this is our small letter m. M says M says monster, monster, mouse, mouse. आपको पता है माउस किससे डरते हैं? Yes, they are afraid of cats. Mouse are afraid of cats. M monster, M mouse. This was our first letter which we did today, and then next what we did was capital and small letter N. What do we hear? What is the sound of N, children? The sound of N is night, night, nose, nose, night, night मतलब रात. What do we see during the night in the sky? We see moon, we see clouds, and we also see stars. This is the picture of night, and this is our nose. Nose. We smell with our nose. We have how many nose? Do we have one nose or two? Yes, you are right. हमारा एक nose होता है. Now moving on, children. What comes after N? Yes, letter O, and O is a vowel. O says O. O says O. 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 Open. Open. Open मतलब देखो आपने यहाँ क्या पिक्चर में देखा? ओपन मतलब डोर खुल रहा है. ओपन मतलब डोर खुल रहा है. ओपन. Owl. Owl. Octopus. Octopus. Octopus is a sea animal. What is octopus? Octopus is a sea animal. It is a sea creature. And do you see how many arms it has? कितने सारे legs और arms है उसके? Do you see that? And this is an owl. Owl रात को ही जगते हैं, उन्हें रात को ही दिखाई देता है. This is an owl. Where do we see owl? We see the owl in the jungle. So this was our vocab related to letter O. O says O. O says O. Now moving on to the next letter. What comes after O? Yes, it is letter P. We have learnt all these alphabets in the nursery class, children. So this is just what we are doing is revision. So this is the capital letter P, which we write in the beginning 3 lines, and this is the small letter P. What is the sound P says? P says P. P says P. And have you seen a pan in the kitchen, children? Mama इसमें खाना बनाते हैं ना? This is a pan. P. P. Pan. Pan. This is a picture. What is this, children? A picture. What do you see in the picture? This is the picture of a boy. Picture. Yes? Picture. And this is a pig. Pig is a farm animal. Pig is a farm animal. Pig. So what did we learn today? We learned the alphabets M, N, O, P. Now in your worksheet, children, page number 10 of our English Term 1 LKG worksheet. Page number 10, children, is for letter O and letter P. Letter O and letter P. To beginning with, what will we do? We will match these pictures to the respective letters. Then we will write the first two lines of the letter O and letter P. This is on page number 10. Page number 10. Now children, before we start our alphabet O and P, let us take a pause. Join your hands. Let us be silent for a while. बिल्कुल चुपचाप, मन में अच्छी बातें सोचना, अच्छे लोगों को याद करना, अच्छी चीजें बोलना मन में। Let us start our class work. Our second part of today is letter O and letter P. ये हम कौन से पेज पे करने वाले हैं बच्चों? We have already taken page number 9 today. M and N हमने किया. अब हम करेंगे page number 10. Page number 10 पे कौन से अल्फाबेट्स है? It is letter O and letter P. Page number 10. पहले हम ये मैचिंग वाला पार्ट करते हैं. So what will you write first? You will write today's date. आप जिस भी डेट पे आपका क्लास वर्क होमवर्क कर रहे हो वो CW and date on this page. Okay. Now what is our heading, children? Our heading says, let's identify the sound of the given pictures and match each of them with their first letter. इन सबको साउंड हमें देखना है और उनको अपने रिस्पेक्टिव लेटर्स के साथ मैच करना है. Let us start, children. What is our first letter? O. Second letter is P. O says O. P says P. Now children, which animal is this? Yes, this is an ostrich. What do you hear, children, when I say ostrich? Ostrich. It starts with letter O. Therefore, we will match this picture to letter O. Ostrich is an animal. Ostrich is an animal, but it is an bird. It is a bird which cannot fly. Ostrich एक बर्ड ही है, पर ये ऐसा बर्ड है जो बहुत हैवी बर्ड होता है, इसलिए वो उड़ नहीं सकता है. So this is an ostrich. Ostrich. Ostrich starts with letter O. So we have matched this picture to letter O. The second picture is of a penguin. Penguin कहाँ पे दिखते हैं बच्चों? पेंगुइन हमें ठंडी जगह पे दिखते हैं जहाँ पे बर्फ गिरती है. सो दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ अ पेंगुइन. व्हाट कलर आर द पेंगुइन्स, चिल्ड्रन? दे आर व्हाइट एंड ब्लैक. दे आर व्हाइट एंड ब्लैक. और उनके जो फीट होते हैं वो बहुत ही छोटे होते हैं. उनके फीट कैसे होते हैं? बहुत ही छोटे होते हैं. और ये हैंड्स लंबे लंबे होते हैं. सो दिस इज अ पेंगुइन. सो चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट डू यू हियर व्हेन आई से पेंगुइन? Penguin. I hear the sound of P. Penguin. Therefore, I will match this picture to letter P. Penguin. Penguin. Okay. Now this is a fruit. Is this a fruit, children? No. This is a vegetable. This is an onion. This is an onion. हम सबके घर में ऑनियन होती है, हम सब खाते हैं. अगर आप ना भी खाते हो तो आपने मार्केट में या कहीं पे तो ऑनियन देखी होगी. They come in pink color, dark pink color and white color. This is onion. Onion is a vegetable. So children, what do you hear when I say onion? I hear the sound of O. Onion. Onion. So I will match this picture to letter O. I will match this picture to letter O. Okay. Our next picture, children, here is of a pear. Pear is a fruit. Pear is a fruit. So children, it is green and when it is ripe, जब वो पक जाता है तो वो येलो कलर का भी होता है. So, but when it is not ripe, it is green in color. So, children, when I say pear, what do you hear? Pear. Pear. So, this beginning letter is P. Therefore, we will match this picture to letter P. Letter P. Now is the picture of an octopus. As I told you when we saw the flashcards. Octopus is a sea creature. It is a sea animal. और उसके बहुत सारे arms होते हैं. This is a sea creature. Octopus. What do you hear when I say octopus? I hear the sound of octopus. Octopus. So we will match octopus to letter O. Next picture and the last picture, children, is of a postman. Postman brings letters. Postman brings parcel. Postman क्या लाते हैं हमारे घर पे? पार्सल भी लाते हैं हमारा और लेटर लाते हैं, है ना? तो postman starts with letter P. Postman starts with letter P. So what do you hear when I say postman? I hear the sound of postman. Postman. So this was our page number 10, the beginning activity, जिसमें हमने हमारे vocabs को देखा और उसके साथ मैचिंग किया. Now our next step, children, what will be our next step? Yes, you all know that. You will take the pencil eraser, be ready, and we will write the first line of letter O and the first line of letter P. Now children, moving on to the next part. After we have done the matching, हम क्या करते हैं? हम first line O की लिखेंगे और first line P की लिखेंगे, right? We on page number 10. Okay. Now let us write capital and small letter O. To begin with, we will write the capital letter O in 3 lines, starting from the red line to the blue line. From red line to the blue line. हम सबने circle shape सीखा है? Yes, we have to draw the circle shape in between the red and the blue lines. So, let us draw a circle. This is capital letter O. Capital letter O. Okay. You will start from here. Half circle. And then another half circle. This is our capital letter O, which we write in the first 3 lines from red line to blue line. Red line to blue line. Small letter O कितनी लाइन में लिखेंगे? In between the 2 blue lines, we are going to draw a circle, which is our small letter O. O says O. O says O. I think this is the easiest of all the alphabets you have learned till now. और क्या आप लोग मेरे साथ साथ लिख रहे हो? You have to write along with ma'am. Okay? तो अगर आपने शुरू नहीं किया है तो फटाफट से पेंसिल और इरेजर लेकर पेज नंबर 10 खोलिए and let us begin to write our first alphabet, which is letter O. Now moving on to the next line, children, from the red line to the blue line, हम एक सर्कल बनाएंगे जिसे हम बोलेंगे O. This is our letter O. This is our letter O. O says O. O says O. Second, our small letter O, which will be in between the 2 blue lines, okay? O. Small letter O. Next line, children. Red line to the blue line. हम एक सर्कल बनाएंगे. Red line to the blue line. Circle. Small letter O in between the 2 blue lines. Blue line के बीच में लिखेंगे हम. Okay? Easiest letter. ये तो मुझे लिखना बहुत ही अच्छा लगता है. What did we write, children? We wrote the capital and small letter O. First line class work जो आपने मेरे साथ लिखी. अब आपको first line letter P की लिखनी है. Okay? Along with me, remember. So start with capital letter P. From red line to blue line. पहले हम एक standing line बनाएंगे. Standing line बनाई आप सब लोगों ने? From red line to blue line हम standing line बनाएंगे और उसके बाद हम बनाएंगे red line to blue line half circle. Standing line, half circle कितनी लाइन में? red और blue line के बीच में. This is our capital letter P. Okay, small letter P कौन सी लाइन से शुरू करेंगे? Blue line से. Okay, so standing line and half circle. ये बड़े भैया पी, ये छोटे भैया पी, ये चिंकू, ये मिंकू. चिंकू ऊपर खड़ा है, मिंकू नीचे खड़ा है. From red line to blue line, standing line, half circle. Standing line, half circle. बड़े भैया पी, छोटे भैया पी. Okay, moving on to the next line, children. We will write capital first. बड़े भैया कहाँ पे आएंगे? ऊपर आएंगे. बड़े भैया कहाँ पे आएंगे? ऊपर. So from red line to blue line, a standing line. Red line to blue line, a standing line. Okay, and a half circle. And a half circle. Okay, now छोटे भैया को कैसे लिखेंगे? छोटे भैया नीचे हैं थोड़े से, तो छोटे भैया को हम कहाँ से शुरू करेंगे? From the blue line. Very good. So standing line. चिंकू और मिंकू. चिंकू, मिंकू. Half circle. बड़े भैया पी, छोटे भैया पी. Now moving on to the next line, children. We will write from the red line to the blue line. बड़े भैया पी, big brother. Small brother from the blue line to the last red line. This is our small letter P. Capital letter P, small letter P. Capital letter P, small letter P. So, which are the alphabets we learned today, children? We learned letter M, N, O and P. We wrote 2 lines in class work, 2 lines in homework. So, आज आपको क्या करना है बच्चों? वर्कशीट में पेज नंबर 9 and 10 कंप्लीट करना है. From letter M to letter P. M, N, O, P. Got it, children? अगर आपको कहीं पे भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, मम्मा को बोलना, मैम को फोन करेंगे. एनी टाइम यू कैन कॉल योर